In a world where financial stress and mental health struggles seem to go hand in hand, one podcast aims to help you find solace and guidance. The FAM Podcast, navigating you through the tricky waters of personal finance and mental well-being. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools to create a healthy relationship with money while nurturing your mental health. Join host Braimoh, a debt to prosperity success story, as he dives deep into financial habits and mental well-being. Discover Braimoh's secrets of financial literacy and mental health strategies for coping with financial stress. Get ready for thought-provoking discussions, practical tips, and Braimoh's real-life stories of triumph over adversity. Let's embark on a transformative journey together that will change your relationship with money, your state of mind, and ultimately change your life. Tune into the FAM Podcast.
Hello, family. Braimoh here. Welcome to another episode of the FAM Podcast. If you're out there and you are chasing fast money, you need to sit down and listen to what I'm about to share with you. Last week, we talked about the illusion, how fast money sells fireworks. This week, I'm even going deeper. After my research, I discovered real stories, real names, real family, real lives wrecked by the pressure to get rich quick. This episode is dedicated to everyone out there who are genuinely trying to make it big. Not judgment, it's for educational purposes only. Out of respect to those who have lost everything, including loved ones. Please listen carefully. Let me start with TelexFree. It looked like opportunity, right? A telecom-based investment platform. That's TelexFree. But after deep research, I found that over 1 million people worldwide were scammed. Many were just trying to escape poverty. They mortgaged their homes, borrowed from families and friends, and even sold assets. And what happened? It was a Ponzi scheme. It was a big lie. It was a big scam. People didn't just lose money, they lost trust, peace. Some even lost their lives because they were chasing these Ponzi schemes, get rich quick, with this idea of you only live once. Another story I discovered was a company called Saradha Group. This one really broke me. 1.7 million small depositors in India were promised quick returns.
This wasn't just a financial scam. It was a social catastrophe that wiped out the life savings of over 17 lakh innocent investors across West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, and Jharkhand. The estimated scam size, over 2,500 crore rupees.
It was dressed up like real fund, but it collapsed. My research revealed devastating consequences many never recovered from. Families were broken. At least 10 people reportedly took their lives because of this fast money belief get rich quickly.
Saradha reportedly collected 2,500 crore rupees over 5 years, making it one of India's largest chit fund scams. The fall when the bubble burst.
They weren't greedy, they were vulnerable, they were desperate for a better life, and someone exploited that.
17 lakh small investors, including daily wage workers, housewives, farmers, and pensioners, lost their money overnight. People who invested amounts ranging from 1,000 to 5 lakh rupees found themselves empty-handed.
That's pure wickedness. What about Madoff story? We all know about that. A whole family worked out the biggest Ponzi scheme ever in billions of dollars. $65 billion vanished in a sophisticated Ponzi scheme. Madoff had elite clients, celebrities, charities on his list. Oh my goodness. What broke me was his own son committed suicide. Another died of cancer while the family was drowning in shame and lawsuits. Spending money they didn't even have anymore. Fast money doesn't just destroy wallets or your bank accounts. It destroys homes. It drains legacy. It steals decades of dignity, hard work, savings. It was sad. Mazini, Instagram rich, prison poor.
My name is Mazini, so if you guys can come up, Everybody that gotta pay their groceries, I want you guys to come up.
Jay are flaunted wealth online, weight of cash, designer brand, generosity stunts, giving money out online, on restaurants.
That 10,000 is for you. I swear to God.
People believed him so much, even celebrities. Be careful who you are following, whose life you are trying to mirror, to emulate, because at the end of the day, it's not what you see on Instagram, it's what's happening behind the scene. Then came the truth. He has scammed followers out of millions.
Them about $18,000, $20,000 worth of Bitcoins over the weekend and had and wired them. Almost $800,000, $750-ish.
I'm gonna say by end of May, the principal amount reached about 3.5 million.
That's massive.
Jay Mazini is probably the biggest scammer I've ever seen on the internet.
Fast money doesn't build influence. It exposes immaturity, selfishness. What looks like inspiration on your feed could be manipulation in disguise.
Sometimes social media can be very brainwashing.
Yes, I achieved a lot of goals within my life, but I still feel like I was missing something. I was missing God, missing religion.
Jay Mazini is a Palestinian Muslim from New York City. He pretended to be religious and used religious speech to raise $18 million.
Be careful what you sign up for and the kind of life you want to live and how you acquire those wealth. I asked in my previous episode, who are you trying to impress? If this message is making sense to you right now, I want you to pause this video. Do 3 things for me. Subscribe, like this video, and share with families and friends. I want you to please listen to me right now because I've done my research. Nobody wakes up and says, I want to lose everything. But you know what they do say. It looked real. Everyone else was doing it. I didn't want to miss out. FOMO, fear of missing out. Because everyone is doing it and you jump right into it. No research, no looking at reviews. Your desperation becomes someone else's business model and they throw it at you. You grab it without even thinking and they're going to take your money away from you without even forcing you. Please be careful. Ponzi schemes are real. People losing their money out there. They are losing their lives. Don't be one of them. You have a chance right now to avoid that. This video is very important. Think, reflect, share it with someone you love. If you're watching me right now, say this with me. My peace is priceless. My purpose is non-negotiable. This is the FAM podcast, and we don't chase illusions. We build real freedom. Want to ask me, okay, Braimoh, what's the alternative? What do I do? The alternative? Slow money. Slow money is strategic. Number 1, through patience. Number 2, discipline. Number 3, delayed gratification. Number 4, long-term investment. It's boring to the algorithm, but beautiful to your future. It's the decision to save consistently, to budget, to start a side hustle, genuinely the one you can manage within your reach, to build credibility and to protect your income. Slow money doesn't trend, but it never betrays because you are working hard, you are having a clear goal, you are saving, and you know when to invest in the right portfolio after assessing the risk involved and see if you can weigh up both sides, good, bad, profit, loss, then you invest. Fast money fades. Slow money compounds gradually. Okay? Fast money gives applause. Well done, mate. Nice one. Slow money gives ownership. Fast money feeds the ego. You want to show off. You want to booger. Slow money feeds generation. Your children, your children's children. You're having a legacy built gradually. I'm not here to sell fear, okay? I'm here to tell you the truth. And the truth is, the people who build wealth quietly are the ones who sleep peacefully because they know their limits and they are working within their limits. They are not comparing themselves, their business, their savings, their money with anyone, not on Instagram, not on TikTok. Please stop comparing your timeline to someone else's highlight reel. Avoid any scheme that promises double your money with no risk. My friend, run. Put your slippers in your armpits and run, man. Focus on your lane. Stay in your lane. Build with character. In doubt, ask, is this worth or a trap? If this video is really making sense right now, I would like you to share this video, comment what hits you the most when I was talking earlier, share on the comment section, subscribe to the Farm Podcast, and join our WhatsApp Farm community. The QR code is displayed right now on the screen. We don't just talk about money here on the Farm Podcast. We talk healing, strategy, and legacy. I want you to say this with me before we close. Say, fast money ruins lives. Slow money builds peace and legacy. And don't forget, personal finance is personal, and your mental well-being is priceless. I will see you in the next episode. My name is Braimoh. Take care and bye-bye.